Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee mix, and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, you want to navigate into the settings, and from here scroll down till you find the option Fingerprint. Right here, then manage Fingerprint Manager, tap on Next, and before you can actually add a fingerprint, if you don't have one, you will have to set a different way of unlocking the device. So you have a choice between pattern, pin, or password. I'm just going to choose pattern. It's just no thanks, and then draw the pattern that you wish to use, tap on continue and confirm, and now we should be able to add a fingerprint. So as you can see, just tap on next and start scanning our finger. And there we go, fingerprint added. You'll just tap on done. And now, once you lock the device and try to unlock it, you will either need to provide the pattern that we have set, which is this thing, or we can just do it simply with the tap of a finger on the back. So that is how you would add a fingerprint. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.